here at Sherwood Forest. It's very cold. Just taking my gloves off. I've just arrived. Been riding all the way from Clumber Park, which was really good actually. Really enjoyed it. Discovering some new routes and things, so I'm going to be going back that way as well. So meeting up with a fellow vlogger, Tom Stringer. Hopefully you've seen him on the channel before. Oh, so it's been over a year since I've been here, and just a bit of recce of the place. Ended up on the Kitchener Trail. Need to get my bike fit sorted. Well, I need to get the cleats sorted on my left foot. It's not quite right. My left leg's feeling it. So I'm here with Tom. He's finally shown up. Or I've finally shown up. Don't know which one it is. So what tires on these then? Because they look about 33, 35. Yeah.
These are my gravel tyres. This is the biggest I can get away with on this bike.
So Tom's done. He's always filming. He's been whizzing around,
done mine.
putting it together. I'm sure we'll fit an extra bit in there somewhere. You can always do 2 videos in one go, you know. 2 videos for the price of 1.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some French vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some French vibes on my way. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way.
So we're just about to head into the Sherwood Pines cafe. We're going to go inside, I think. So, I've just had something to eat, about to leave. Had a good time?
I have, it's been brilliant.
Good.
This stinking cold I've got,
Yeah, talking of cold, it's just like raining, isn't it? And you're off. I'm just about to go on the Kitchener Trail, or at least half of it or something. See how far I'll get round, get warmed up again, and then ride back to Clumber. Right, I'll do the Kitchener Trail all the way around. Just heading along the Flying Pig, which is the second stage. Tom has gone home now. He didn't fancy it. He had a really poor excuse. He has to be home to celebrate his hamster's birthday. Can you believe it? I've heard some really poor excuses over the years, but that is the most poorest excuse I've ever heard. Anyway, yes, Flying Pig. Got enough time to just go around this once and then head off back home through the fields towards Clumber Park. Be a little bit dark by the time I finish, I think. So, backlight on board. I didn't bother with a front light. Did a small section of road through Clumber Park itself. Concentrate. Yeah, not many people here, all quiet on the western front. When you come out of your comfort zone in a place like this, you really do need to restrain yourself and take your time. For me though, I also need to feel like I'm making progress and taking a risk here and there. It's actually starting to feel a bit soggy now, the trail. It's been raining for the last 40 minutes or so. Where am I going? So once I finish the trail, put my rain jacket on and back to Clumber Park. It's about half an hour on the bike from here. As you see, it's quite white still. That snow from earlier has now turned to rain. It's back to winter as usual after this. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying this. I still need to stick to the berms like glue, don't I? Can't just cut around the bottom. I guess when I start to make mistakes.
Well, there you go folks, I'm back home now. After I finished the Kitchener Trail, it just continued to rain. So stopped filming and just got myself home all soaked and wet to the core. Right, from me, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.